Hi champions, so in this video we'll be teaching ourselves how to design carousel. So carousel is very simple and it is very easy to design. So the first thing that you just need to do is have your content, your text content that you want to use for your carousel, no matter how plenty or how long the text is. So the use of carousel is to break down those texts little by little and place it on a flyer. So that's what we're doing here. So someone sent me this message sometimes ago. I'll be using this message to create the carousel. So now the first thing, if you already have your content written down, just go to Pixel Lab as usual. So the default here, you delete the text, change your size here to 3005 by 3005. So then you tap on OK. So I'll come here to change your color, the background color. Come to this middle icon here to change your background color. Then you tap on color here. If you are using gradient, it's fine. If you are using normal color, it's fine. So I'll be using black and gold for the carousel design. So just tap on your color that you want as your background. So the next thing now is to go to text here and then add your text. You edit, then maybe you just want to type. I've actually copied, so I'll just be pasting it and be cutting it small by small. So now the first thing is good afternoon, CEO of Dollars Design. So that is the first word that I'll be using. So that is it. So I said I'll be using black and gold, remember. So the next thing is to go and change my text color to gold. Gold is here, so okay. Then the next thing is to go and change it. I will change my font, so I'll be using Poppins again here. So that is it. Then I okay it here. So then I drag it in from this side so that it can be in 2 lines. So, or if you don't want it here, if you don't want it like this, you can actually go back to the edit here and put it to 2 lines. So that is that. So it is left aligned, but I want it to be middle aligned. So you come to align here, then middle alignment. So to place it properly to the center, just come to relative position and tap on these two. Since we are pasting the text on the background itself, so we want the text to be properly centralized on the background itself. We will be clicking these two. At this point, we want the text to be on another shape that is different from the background and the main background. Then we are using this only one, the first one up here. So, but if you are placing that text on the background itself, the general background, the main background of our flyer, then we are using these two. So just tap on the two. So now it is properly centralized. So the next thing, I forgot to mention how to save your design when I designed the lead flyer, lead magnet flyer. So to design, once you are done with typing your first carousel, this is my first carousel. This is basically everything you need to know about carousel. It is just too simple. Too simple. But if you want your text to be on a shape, you can just come to this middle icon here, tap on shape to bring in one shape that you like that. And normal for carousel, you won't use other than the square shape. So just drag it, make it bigger, give your shape color that will show on the background. So since I'm using just 2 colors, black and gold, I'll be changing the shape to gold, then place it here. If you see, the text is now in good color, so it can't show on the box. So just change the color of the text to black, since we are placing it on a gold shape. So just change it to black and tap on OK, then you move it. You see, once you move it here, you can't see the text. The text is here, but because it's in a black color, you can't see it on another black background. And this now should be, since we are dragging it down here, you're supposed to see the black color, the black text. But the reason why we are not seeing it, like I mentioned in the lead flyer design, so it is because we drew this shape after we've typed the text. I did when we type the text, we draw this shape first, then we type the text, then the text will be up here. But if you see now, it is just going behind the shape. So to bring that to the front, you just come here and tap on to front. This to front here. To front here. If you want it to the back, just tap to back. So that is how it works. So to front. Now if you drag this inside here, It's already shown. So to place it to the middle properly, just come to relative position, tap on those two icons, then tap on the text to you tap on the two icons, then it's properly here. It's either you leave it like I did earlier, or you do this too. So now if you are the type that uses picture and you want your picture or your logo to be in the background, just go to import to bring in your logo or your picture or whatever. So let's say I want to use this icon. Yes, this icon. So just bring it in, make it bigger, and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Then the next thing to do is to tap to the to back here, because you are putting it at the back of those shapes and text. So just tap on to back and you are good to go. Then you can come here to lock it so that the image won't be moving up and down. So that is that. You can do this for your picture. You are using your personal picture, or you are using your logo or anything as background, so you can do that. Then you come up here to save. Come up here to save. So tap on it, then save as project, so that when you come back, when you have anything to edit on it, you can come back. But if you want it to be saved to your gallery, just come to save as image here. Then you leave the JPG, then you come to here, change it to ultra, then you save to gallery. That is the first text. Now the second text that we want to do, so we just edit this one. Since we already saved the first flyer, just paste again. We are not done it. What's wrong with this thing now? We are not done here. Just go to edit, paste. But if you are just typing, you can just type. So the another sentence, the weekend is there and the little blah blah blah. So that is what I'll be using again. So I'll be using this one. Okay, so you see that now the text here is much more bigger than the box. Or what you need to do is to just increase the box to place it in the middle, then you place this on it. Is that you leave it like this, or if you don't want to use the shape, just delete it and change this text to one of your brown colors that will show on the background. So you can leave it like this, or so since we are using shape, just do it like this and make sure you come to relative position to centralize it very well. You centralize the shape, then you centralize the text on it, then you save again. Save again. So the next one, just tap on the edit text in, then you paste or you type. So this is the third design. Remember, it is carousel that we are doing here. So this is it. So and then the box is too bigger than the text. Just reduce it, place it properly by using the relative position, then the text to relative position, then you save again. So the last text, so you can have as many designs for your carousel as possible, maybe like 10. So now I'll be stopping here. So you can just continue like that and keep increasing your box if it is too smaller for the text, or you reduce the box if it is too bigger for the text. Then you place the text properly inside, then you centralize both the box and the text. So you then save as image. So you change to ultra, you leave it at JPG, then you save it. That is all. So if you are the type that want to be adding maybe your Instagram handle, like Instagram name and your WhatsApp phone number to your carousel, just copy the text, reduce it, change the color that will show on whatever background you want to place it on. So and then you head it. So my own number is this 02928114. So this is it. You can place it here, then you copy again, then maybe your Instagram handle. Mine is at Stola's Designs. So so you drag it with your hand, or you use the position icon. Then you can't leave it here like this, so you will need to add all those Instagram picture, Instagram icon and WhatsApp icon to it. To do that, just go to your your gallery to import it. So I'll just be using the WhatsApp only, because the Instagram one is far. As you can see, this WhatsApp has white background, so I'll just be cropping little something from it. You see, it still have the white background, but you can't leave it like this. So you have to remove the white background totally. You just come to erase color, then enable it. You can increase this to like 7. Just make sure as you are increasing the tolerance or decreasing it, your eyes is on the element that you are increasing it on, so that it won't overdo itself on your element. So just reduce it, and then you use the position here. You can make it faster here, and then you place it in front of the number here, because this is the WhatsApp. So the Instagram too, you just go to your inbox, import it, and place it here, and then you export your design by saving it as image. Then you save to your gallery. So that about designing carousel for your for your Instagram. So this knowledge too, you can use it to create your brand mission and vision. Yes, something like this. Let me show you. So once you understand that, the one that I just did, this carousel of a thing, so you can use it to design this something like this, your brand mission and vision, something like this. So this was the code that I used. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you can actually bring it to me. I'll help you to do it, but it's not for free. That is why you should learn. And if you try watching this video once and you don't get it, just go back to it and rewatch again. So and if you still don't get it, then you can, my DM is always open. You can then come to my DM to ask any questions about what you don't understand. So that about creating carousel, mission and vision, and then what, that's all. So see ya later. Okay, I forgot to mention this while I was explaining how to design Instagram highlight covers. I said the size was 1280 by 1920. The correct size is 1080 by 1920. 1080 by 1920, not 1280 by 1920. And if you want to design anything but you don't know how to go about the size, just go to Google and type in maybe, for example, now let me use the highlight covers, for example, highlight covers, Instagram highlight covers size. So it will bring you all the size that you need to create any of your designs. So that about the graphic design session